Hello, friends. Drago here. And you are watching The Drago Show.
Feel this way forever. I'm Byron Jackson. For real. Never meant to make your daughter cry.
If you guys enjoy the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon near the subscribe button for quick notifications. So guys, today I am going to be unboxing Sony Xperia XZ Premium compatible B20 wireless Bluetooth headphone.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
Features of Sony Xperia XZ headphone. It has Bluetooth, which allows wireless music listening and phone calls. It also has SD card slots, FM, and it supports all devices like PC, laptop, MP3 player, Android devices, and iOS devices.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
The headphone comes with a USB charging cable and a audio cable inside the box.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading